hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Now I'm the reason why you broke up with him and got back together. Thought I was sunshine, but baby I'm bad weather. I'm off the Doppler in the 5-day forecast. By the time they hear me, I've already pushed the shore back. No, I wasn't always like this. Skies cleared soon as my daylight lit. Sidewalks dried up, no snow emergency. I could take you February and turn it into spring. But something happened and it started to cloud. The scene began to wilt with sunshine year round. See, nobody remember what it was like without me. And too much of a good thing turned into a thing. I hit the road and took a few days off, which consequently turned longer than I originally thought to this day. So baby, call me what you want, good, bad, hot, or a cold front. Hey, testify, testify. Bring your word if it's worth it's fine. Don't give me maybe, don't give me I don't know. Baby, you ain't singing when she crying. I never want you rendition of freedom, 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 freedom. Set fire in every wall while I'm breathing, 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 breathing. Midnight streetlight poster, I fade into the backdrop and turn into no one. Spring to action when the weapons get drawn out and eliminate the threat before the bodies get hauled out. They pit the poor against each other to collide with guns and gave the referees nines and the right to hunt, lie, cheat, steal. The time has come to backhand them with the neon biker glove. No, Muhammad, Buddha, or Jesus could save this city from itself in the evening. All eyes set on the wrong price. I won't wait for someone to do what's right. I never bought you rendition of freedom, 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 freedom. I'll set fire in every wall while I'm breathing, 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 breathing.
Jo, mě to vlastně moc nebaví, kámo. Tohle to já nevím, ty vole, to jsme dělali důchodce, ty vole.
Tohle bylo tak nudný, ty vole.
To jsme jako ve výslužbě, že děláme takovýhle věci pro
Dáme si to ještě jednou.
Jo.